Knowee AI is one of the newest releases in the world of AI software, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer, small business owner, or someone just starting to explore AI solutions, this review will walk you through everything that matters about Knowee AI. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, especially because I'll be sharing where you can try Knowee AI completely for free. First off, Knowee AI is a versatile tool that simplifies your workflows, helping businesses automate tasks, analyze data, and enhance productivity in a fraction of the time. Its main value proposition? Cutting down the repetitive manual work so that you can focus on what actually matters in growing your business. What makes Knowee stand out is its ease of use. Unlike other complex AI tools that require a steep learning curve, Knowee AI comes with an intuitive interface, allowing even non-tech savvy users to get started right away. This means you don't have to waste time training your team or figuring out how the software works. Everything is right where you need it, making it incredibly accessible. Another thing you'll love about Knowee AI is its integration capabilities. It syncs smoothly with several popular platforms, whether you're working with CRM tools, email marketing services, or other business apps. This means that if you already use popular tools, Knowee AI slots right in, enhancing your existing tech stack. When it comes to automation, Knowee shines. From automating customer support to scheduling posts on social media, Knowee helps streamline a variety of tasks. The ability to automate mundane processes like customer inquiries or data entry gives businesses more time to focus on strategy, driving growth. Now, you may be wondering about its AI-powered analytics features. Knowee AI uses advanced algorithms to help you understand customer behaviors, track website performance, and spot trends before they become too big to ignore. The insights it offers can be game-changing for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve. It's essentially like having a dedicated analyst working 24/7 to feed you valuable data. In terms of security, Knowee AI takes your data seriously. With built-in encryption and compliance features, you can rest easy knowing your business information is safe. And it's not just secure, it's also scalable. Knowee AI grows with your business, adapting to your needs whether you're just starting or already scaling up. Before we wrap up, I want to give you a quick look at how Knowee AI compares to other options on the market. While there are plenty of AI tools out there, Knowee distinguishes itself by offering both depth and accessibility. Most tools either focus on powerful features with a steep learning curve or they're basic with limited capabilities. Knowee finds that sweet spot, offering sophisticated functionality while still being approachable. So if you're curious to try Knowee AI for yourself, check the first link in the description below to get access to a completely free trial. Don't miss the chance to explore this revolutionary software firsthand. And as always, I've included some other highly recommended AI tools in the description as well. After testing thousands of AI platforms, these are the ones I believe stand out. By the way, if you're serious about boosting your digital marketing efforts or automating your workflow, you won't want to miss out on what Knowee AI can do. Make sure to give it a try and let me know what you think.